Hi, my journaling friends. This is Lauren with Shabby Chic Sunday. I am popping on really quick today to draw our 6 winners for our giveaway series. The first name that I'm going to draw is going to win the Temu craft haul of our beads, charms, and clay slices, and that is this package right here. And then the next 5 are going to win the charm dangles that we made on our last video together. If I draw your channel name, please just email me and I will leave that information in the description box below. You can also message me on Instagram with your address so I know where to ship your prize to. I really just want to thank everybody for being here and for supporting and entering the giveaway, and also to let you know if you are interested in making your own charm dangles with the materials that we opened on the haul together but don't win the giveaway today. I will be making kits from my half of the supplies from the haul, and then I'll be posting those to my Etsy shop, so you can purchase those kits to make your own charm dangles. And if you've never made one before, I will link the video as well where we made all of them together so you can see how to do it yourself if you missed that. Let's see what else. Oh, I will also be restocking the shop with pre-made dangles if you are not interested in making them yourself. If you just want to buy them already made, those will be available too. So I've got all the names in the jar here. We'll grab the first name for our first prize, which is going to be the Temu craft haul. So, I'll have to reattach that. Yeah, our ribbon fell off, sissy. Alright, so good luck to everyone. There's a lot of names in here. Let's go ahead and draw our first name. Got one in the sleeve. Okay. Okay, congratulations to Marie Maybe One. You have won the Temu Craft Haul. Congratulations, Marie Maybe One. Don't worry, that one that fell out, we put it right back in there, the one that got tucked in my sleeve. Is there another one? No. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and draw for our carrot tote. So this one, you get a little tote with a bunny carrot shaker. And let me show you the charm inside in case you missed the video where we made all of these. I want you to see what you're going to be winning today. And don't worry, I'll package them up all nice and neat again before I mail them out. So this is the little bunny carrot charm dangle, and on all of the dangles are these tiny little glitter bottles, and I wanted to leave them accessible to you in case you wanted to actually craft with them. But if you want to leave them on your charm dangle as decoration, then just pop the cap right off, and I would add a little dab of glue underneath so that you don't get all of the glitter everywhere. So you can either use the glitter or you can keep it on here as decoration. So the next winner we're going to draw is going to win this carrot basket. So good luck to everybody. Okay, congratulations to Scrap and Craft Queen. You have won the carrot dangle. Congratulations. Put the winners to the side there. Okay, our third one. Let's do this cute little yellow chicky charm. So this one's a bunch of little chickens and eggs. Okay, congratulations to Bama Girl in Florida. You've won the Chicky Charm. Chicky Charm?
Chicky Charm card, Mama.
She won the Chicky Charm. Okay, the next one is going to be our purple dangle. So I'll show you what it looks like. This one is a bunch of white bunnies and then purple sweet treats. So you've got candies and cookies and cupcakes and some ice creams. There's a little lollipop here and some hearts. Cute, cute. All right, good luck to everybody. All right, NTELLEZ 30. Congratulations, you've won the purple chunky charm dangle. And which one what do we have left? Oh, our rubber ducky. Let's do our rubber ducky one. Okay, so you'll get a little tote, a little resin rubber ducky here. And this is what your charm dangle looks like. Cookies, some rubber duckies, and sweet treats. some bunnies, donuts, and other blue candy for Easter. Okay. So nervous those are all going to pop out. All right. The Shabby Hippie. Congratulations. The Shabby Hippie. Oh my goodness. Okay, everyone, I'm sorry. That is not an actual toilet flushing. That is my 3-year-old who is playing in the craft room next to me with her Barbie house. Yeah, it's a fake toilet. You didn't flush the real toilet. Okay, so our last one then is going to win the pink one, and this one is sheep and paws and little bunnies and sweet treats. Okay. The Simple Retired Life. You have won the last one, the pink dinkle. I think that was all of them, right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we've got them all. So thank you everyone for being a part of this giveaway. I will also probably draw an extra name. Let's go ahead and do that now, just in case I don't hear back from any of these. Okay, we're going to set this name to the side. I won't open it yet because I don't want to disappoint everyone if your name wasn't drawn. This will be the extra winner in case I don't hear back from any of these recipients. I will reach out to you and let you know that you have an opportunity to win one of these prizes. So thank you everyone. God bless. Take care, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.